Do you know about the Tally accounting software? It's one of the simple, easy, and one of the useful accounting software which will help you to track your expenses and incomes. If you are running a business and if you are running your any kind of local business, then in that case it will be very useful. Okay, there are lots features available inside the Tally. You can create the ledger, you can create groups, you can create the vouchers, and you can create the POS and different kind of features available inside the Tally accounting software. So if you also don't know about the Tally accounting software, now I'm making a series on Tally accounting software. This you can follow all my playlist. I'm trying to upload as possible all kind of features which is uh, available in the Tally accounting software. Okay, so there are lots features. uh, you can check the trial balance, you can create the balance sheet, and there are different kind of features which will be very useful if you are running a local business or if you are trying to use a local business. Okay, and then after watching my all the videos which is about the Tally accounting software, you will be able to easily use all the features of Tally accounting software. Hello everyone, it's me Dipesh. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to get the all the updates about the Tally accounting software on my YouTube channel, do subscribe and give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more extra videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.